To Attorney Albert Concha, our indefatigable president and team player, great gratitude to the keynote speakers, to our resource speakers, whom we will acquire valuable learnings that we can apply in our respective banks. To the panel discussion resource speakers, who will discuss the ongoing project opportunities for rural banks. And to the sponsors who supported us and contributed to the success of our symposium, our privilege to have it today and tomorrow for the annual symposium of RBAP. As we continue to boost the financial conditions of our country, we welcome you all to the virtual 64th RBAP Charter Anniversary Symposium. Rural banks strengthening the economic frontliners of the countryside resonate with all of us at the RBAP and RBRDFI on how we are standing tall and brave in time of crisis. Ably organized by the RBRDFI and RBAP, led by the Events Committee headed by Director Ferdinand Armadilla. Let me express my deepest appreciation to our directors and trustees for putting together sessions for these 2 days with topics that are very timely. Indeed, endless efforts on RBAP transitioning from the new normal of 2020 to the now normal of 2021, we welcome the next normal of 2022 by the strengthening program and capacity building for rural banks. Through education, and with this education, we see growth of our people surviving and thriving with the enhancement of each of our bank's policies and procedures. To usher us into the next normal of 2022 for new competitive environment landscape, our RBAP Foundation is continuously working with experts in the related fields to come up with programs that address rural banks' requirements and needs. Seminars and courses, which are now done virtually, are crafted to continuously level up to keep up with relevance that addresses the needs of rural banks. I am delighted to update you that this has gained favorable responses from the members. With 262 rural banks' participation in webinars, or 65% of the total members in the first 4 months, 28 webinar courses were attended and about 2,000 attendees collectively as of date. To Ace Kala, Grace Historia, and Jessica Capule, in charge of the webinars, for the entire invitation via email, social media, and calls for RBAP members to join and participate in the webinars. Two made things possible, inspired by the more than 400 rural banks from Mindanao to the Visayas and to Luzon, with the delegates from all the regions of our country. We would like to thank you to all for your support, especially the different committee heads who have been all active and dedicated. Let us keep attending, keep on growing. Your RB Foundation is also on its toes, thinking of proactive ways on how best to significantly serve the members. And for this year, we are delighted to inform you on the special project commissioned, together with a team of consultants, a generic RB manual of operations. The Board of Trustees has approved that this will be given for free to all active members and to card on this privilege. This is a concrete assistance from your foundation. These manuals mainly contain the basic operational procedures applicable for rural banks. Engage in flexibility, enhance them according to your bank size and needs, as these are not a one-size-fits-all. But I would like to highlight the importance that we have established the groundwork from you. From there, integrate your rural bank's identity and what is best. Just say mine, and all the manuals are yours for free. This will be most beneficial to the up-and-coming rural banks, as bigger rural banks are now more equipped. The generic manual encompasses the most essential operations for rural banks with the following: 1. Internal control, lending, caution, security. 2. HR policies and procedures. 3. Compliance and audit. 4. credit, risk management, fifth, business continuity and succession planning. Kindly expect the delivery of this project anytime soon. But wait, there is more. RBRDFI did not stop there. It is expanding its footprints as an accredited organization of the DOST Science Foundation. The accreditation provides tax exemptions from BIR on condition that a research project related to science and technology is being undertaken regularly. The approved research is a cloud-based banking system. With a 3-year feasibility study, a new research team was formed to update and continue the project to satisfactorily comply with our requirement. Your foundation is here to support the capacity building plans of our BAP and the growth plans and programs for each member. We are here for the continuing education and professional development of each and every RB's. Special mention to past presidents who are now heading the different committees for continuity in the foundation, especially for projects they initiated. To the immediate past chairman, who we are continuing the energy, and 5, in continuously uplifting the RB group, PP Tito Abelio, who now chairs the Finance Committee, PP Dr. Boc Bonifacio, spearheading the IT and the DOST Committee, PP Gino Gabrielto, head of the Funding Project Committee, PP Tony Pasha, leading the Internal Affairs Committee, and yours truly as the forerunner of the Content Development Committee. We are truly grateful for all your consistent support to the programs of RBRDFI. We believe that by strengthening each bank, we strengthen the entire RBAP community. That is the RBAP group's collaboration and synergy will enrich the countryside where we are. And finally, I would like to share with you my advanced Christmas wish for rural banks as chairman of RBDFI. It is with high hopes that I envision BSP to be more proactive in assisting ailing RBs recover back in the green, to be compliant and instead of closing. Instead, we are asking BSP to be more patient, even if only this pandemic, to give RBs enough time to correct their exemptions. It will come in handy if BSP could send a remedial team to help them and have a more direct and clear line of communication in order to avoid any miscommunication between BSP and ailing RBs. Wishes to come true. God bless us all. Maraming salamat po, Kekoman.